What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video I'm going to do gaming review of Samsung Galaxy J4 2K18. And you can see the device is in front of me, and I have a set of 3 games which I will just be playing, and I have an application which is named CPU Z, and it will show us the battery percentage and the temperature of the device. You can see that temperature is at 29.1 Celsius and the battery percentage is at 52%. So we are going to start with our first game, which is Asphalt 8, and the device itself is having only 2 gigabytes of RAM, and it is running on Exynos 7570 processor. So we are going to start our first game, which is Asphalt 8, and it is actually very heavy game, and you can see right now the color production is good, but the game itself is lagging. I can clearly say that game is actually lagging. You can see, so the game is actually working, but it is not up to the mark. You can see there is some kind of lag in the frame rate, but for this device it is just okay. You can keep on playing this game on this device. It will not be difficult to finish this game on this device, as it is going very well, and it should work perfectly when you do not have many applications running in the background. I mean, only 2 gigabytes of RAM is there, so try keeping only few of the apps while you are playing such heavy games on these devices. So let this gameplay finish, and after that I will be having a look at the CPU Z to let you guys know about the temperature of the device and the battery percentage. So let this gameplay finish, and after that we will have a look at the specs which we just mentioned. So guys, this gameplay has ended, and let us now go to the CPU Z and have a look at the CPU Z. And you can see the temperature is at 30 Celsius and battery has dropped only 1%. It is now at 51%. The device is having only 3000 milliamp of battery, and right now we are going to play the next game, which is Need for Speed No Limits. and this is going to be a shorter gameplay, and I will just show you CPU Z2 for this game too, and at the end I will be playing Modern Combat 5. The games by EA Sports actually work great on devices and they are very well optimized, so let's see if this game is well optimized or not. And right now we are just playing this game. You can see the graphics are looking great and there is no lag while playing this game. You can clearly see it is just going great on this device. So while playing Asphalted, I was having some kind of frame rate lag, but in this game there is no lag. Everything is just going smooth and perfect. So let this gameplay to finish, and after that we will have a look at CPU Z. So guys, Need for Speed has also ended, and let's have a look at CPU Z. You can see the battery is still at 50% and temperature is still at 30%. The device physically itself is not hitting 2, and only 2% of the battery has been dropped in just 5 to 6 minutes of gameplay. That's very great to see. And right now we are on our final game, which is Modern Combat 5, and you can see this game is actually very heavy and many devices fail to play this game very well. And right now this game is actually going great. Asphalt 8 was a failure on this device. I was not happy with the performance of Asphalt 8, but this game is actually doing some great work. It is not lagging and it is going great. So I have already mentioned that whenever you are playing such heavier games, try keeping as less applications as you can in the background, so that 2 gigabytes of RAM should be enough for playing such heavier games. You will not feel any kind of lag. And let this gameplay finish too, and after that we will have a look at CPU Z.
Let's get out of here.
So guys, the gameplay has ended, and you can see while playing Modern Combat 5 it was great experience, and you can see the battery is at 49% and temperature of the device is actually great, and the physical body is also not heating, and the performance was great for two games, but Asphalt 8 was just not doing up to the mark. And everything else with such a cheap device, the performance on the gaming on this device has been great, and I just give a thumbs up to this device for such a great gaming review. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.